The MCS Hot Runner Controllers. Uncompromisingly simple and intuitive. In the second video, we show the unique user interface, which is one of the world's leading software solutions for hot runner controllers in terms of user-friendliness. Operation is so simple that a manual or training is no longer necessary. When we talk about user-friendliness, we need to be clear about what this term means. Ease of use essentially consists of 4 factors: intuitive operation, consistent operation, efficient operation, and the level of support for the operator. The user interface of the MCS Hot Runner controllers fulfills these criteria to a high degree, as we will see below. Intuitive operation. A clear and concise structure of the user interface, with meaningful icons as well as clearly visible touch fields, ensure intuitive operation. You can immediately see where to click and which function is already selected. The main functions in the menu bar are always visible and can be called up at any time. Consistent operation. There is only one scheme for zone-dependent parameterization. First, select zones, then select the parameter, and then edit the value. For example, during the definition of groups, select zones, assign to group 1, and confirm. Or setting temperature limits, select zones, select parameter, and enter value. Efficient operation. The menu bar is always visible and allows access to the most important functions at any time. The navigation will take you to the overview, where you can access each function with one click. Home will take you to the main view with all zones and their relevant process values. Currently, actual value, set point, and the deviation as bar graph display are visible. Click on the zone to select it, and the screen for entering the set points opens automatically. Boost enables a temporary increase of the set point value. Standby lowers the set point to the standby temperature. Switching the outputs on and off is done with the button on the far right. User support. One of the most important functions for user-friendliness is support for the operator. The user interface of the MCS Hot Runner controller is worldwide leading in this field. Here are the reasons. If you do not know the meaning of a parameter, simply click on the symbol with the information icon, and you will receive a brief description. This avoids tedious searching in the operating manual and saves an enormous amount of time. The controller supports parameterization by displaying in plain text what is to be done. In this example, first, select zones and parameters. Second, enter value. If you can't find a function in the navigation menu straight away and don't want to look it up in the manual, the question mark will help you. Let's assume that you want to reset all parameters to factory default and you can't find the settings. Clicking on the question mark will take you to the index. Here, all functions and parameters are listed alphabetically. By clicking on the letter F, you will find the term Factory Settings. A click on the term leads directly to the desired function. The controller also supports you in troubleshooting. A guide with picture and text shows you how to proceed with troubleshooting. In the example, there is a defective fuse. Clicking on the error symbol takes you to the error diagnosis and then to the troubleshooting wizard. This will guide you step by step through all the instructions for correcting the error. This enables you to correct errors yourself, without hotline and without service manual, and reduces downtimes to a minimum. With these functions, the MCS has one of the world's leading user interfaces for hot runner controllers in terms of user-friendliness. More information about MCS Hot Runner controllers is available on the internet, or contact us directly. We look forward to hearing from you.